Is your Android phone button stuck or just completely stopped working? Now don't panic and definitely don't spend money on a repair just yet. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple built-in Android trick using the floating accessibility menu that lets you control your volume directly from your screen. This will help you take the pressure off your volume buttons and other related button functions. The steps here are very simple. On your Android phone, you want to open Settings, and in Settings, you want to scroll till you find Accessibility. You can tap on this and it will bring you here. Now you can also come to the Search Settings section here and search for Accessibility menu. It will equally bring you here. Scroll to the bottom here and you find the Accessibility menu. Now tap on this. The Accessibility menu gathers all useful menus into a single floating menu. To enable this feature, you can turn it on in this section and automatically you see a new button that has been added. Simply tap on Got It and you're ready to use it. But you can do more. In this section where it says Accessibility menu, you want to tap on the arrow in this section. You'll be able to change the way the button shows. You can use Accessibility button in this section, which will put the button in this section you see, which you can move around and even remove or edit in this section. You can also use Accessibility gesture, which when you swipe with your two fingers from the bottom of your screen, it summons the Accessibility menu. You also have one other feature here, which is the volume key, which when you long press on the two volume keys, will also bring the Accessibility menu. Now if you're using the Accessibility button, when you tap on it, you see all your buttons summarized in a single section here. You see your mobile assistant. If you're using Google Assistant, you'll also see it in this section. You see your accessibility settings, your power button to turn off your phone in this section. You also see volume down and volume up to help you increase your volume. You see the recent apps section here. You can also control your brightness with these two options, and you see the option for a lock screen which will lock your phone screen. So this will help you take the stress off your volume button and your power button. Now when you tap on the arrow in this section, you see extra settings such as quick settings, notification, and the option to take a screenshot. That is how to use the Accessibility button. If you want more, you can simply go back and in the settings section here, you'll be able to make the buttons large. So simply enable this if you want a bigger, larger buttons. You now see that the buttons will be made very large. Anytime you wish to disable this function, maybe after repairing your button, you can simply come back to Accessibility and toggle it off in this section. You can also do this, simply drag this to the X section here and it will be removed from your screen. Now when you also drag to the edit icon section here, it will bring you to the Accessibility menu shortcut. So thank you for watching this video. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to like, subscribe and have the post notification turned on.